Hi there. Are you tired of slow loading websites? If you want to improve your website speed and performance, we're here to help you. Slow websites can turn off visitors and hurt your search engine rankings. But with our website speed optimization service, you can improve your site's load times and give your visitors a better experience. Our team of experts will work with you to identify areas where your website can be optimized for speed. We'll look at everything from code optimization to image compression to server configuration to ensure your site is as fast as possible. By optimizing your website for speed, you can improve user experience and engagement, boost your search engine rankings, increase conversions, and sales lower bounce rates. So if you're ready to improve your website speed and performance, contact us today. We'll work with you to create a custom solution that meets your needs and helps you achieve your business goals. Thank you.